In this video, I'll share a strategy I used to make $1,000 in the last 3 months by just writing Google reviews. I'll share how I implemented the idea and how you can copy my idea and strategy to also make money. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can push it to more people, and also subscribe to the channel as I share more content on how to make money. Let's start with how the idea was born. For several years, I have seen many people sell this service on Fiverr and Upwork. Initially, I was not interested until this year in March when a connect on LinkedIn messaged me asking if I offer the service. You see, I had just completed my virtual assistant course at ALX and I was revamping my LinkedIn account to include services I was offering. I was positioning myself as a social media specialist where I help clients with social media management and content creation. The guy has a dating website for gay men and he wanted me to write reviews about successful stories of guys who got partners from this website and were in happy relationships. I thought about the whole idea and I thought it's unethical and my reviews could put innocent people in danger. So I declined the offer. But then I thought about the whole idea. I decided to implement it, but now instead of working with just random guys on the internet, I decided to work with small businesses in my community. Let's talk about how I implemented the idea. The first step was to identify small businesses in my community that greatly needed my service. They might not know they need the service or be actively looking for the service, but the service must be critical for them to secure customers. So after doing a lot of research, my top picks were Airbnbs, hotels, restaurants, salons, and driving schools. After analyzing the businesses, I realized that hotels and restaurants had so many reviews that it won't make sense for them to buy reviews from me. 2, there weren't many salons and driving schools in my area that would enable me make a consistent income. So my best pick was Airbnbs. The second step was to price my service. When I checked online, especially on Upwork and Fiverr, most people were charging anywhere between $5 and $10 per review. Looking at my target market, I realized that this wouldn't work. So I settled for $2 per review, which in my local currency is 250 Kenya shilling. The third step was to create a poster detailing my services. So I went to Canva and designed a poster showing all the services I was offering, which include social media management, content creation, and Google reviews. Step 4 was to create my pitch. And this actually was the hardest part. So I was asking myself, how do I convince the Airbnb owners who are not actively looking for my services to give me this job? So in my pitch, I needed to show them the value Google reviews would add to their business. I would mention, number 1, why Google reviews are very, very important, particularly for their kind of business, because people are always looking for Google reviews before renting Airbnbs. Number 2, Google reviews would help them rank higher on Google, especially because I would include keywords people in their area use when searching for Airbnbs. Step 5 was to find contact details of Airbnb owners in my area. So I went to Google Maps and found plenty of phone numbers and I started making the calls. How I got my first client? Well, the day I made my first call was on a Thursday. I called around 20 Airbnbs. Some I would get the owners, others I would get the secretaries. So whenever I got the secretary, I would tell them what I do and then I would request them to give me the owner's number. To be really honest, I did not close even a single sale on that day. However, 2 owners promised to reach out the next day. The following morning, one of them called and paid for 6 Google reviews. And that's how I got my first client. The second day, I made around 20 calls and didn't close even a single sale. The third day, which was on a Saturday, was when the magic started happening. One of the ladies I had talked to on the first day reached out. She had several Airbnbs in Nanyuki, but she needed reviews for her law firm based in Nairobi. She paid for 10 reviews and promised the following week she would need more for her Airbnbs. I took a break for the weekend and resumed on Tuesday and made around 25 calls. I got 3 promising clients and each of them paid in course of that week. But this time the reviews were not as many. 2 clients paid for 1 review each. The other one paid for 2 reviews. On Friday that week, I got another client who has so far been my best client. You see, initially she wanted 10 reviews for her Airbnbs located in Nanyuki. Afterwards, she bought 5 reviews for her spa located in Nanyuki and a motor vehicle yard located in Mombasa. Since then, the lady has recommended 7 friends, each buying between 5 to 10 reviews. In fact, at the moment we are in talks of me managing her social media platforms. This young lady, she's just a real boss and she's just 25. So in total, I have made $1,000 equivalent to 125,000 Kenyan shillings from all the reviews I have written in the last 3 months. So how did I write all these reviews and Google didn't flag them? So if you didn't know, Google always checks the legitimacy of the reviews you write. So if you write there are many reviews from the same device or the same IP address, they are likely to flag them. So how did I avoid this? I got different people on Facebook to post the reviews for me. I usually craft the reviews myself, then send them to post. I pay them 50 bob per review. So the client pays me 250 shillings, which is equivalent to $2. Then I pay someone 50 bob, which is equivalent to $0.4 to post. Then I'm left with 200, which is equivalent to $1.6. I know this seems small, but imagine if a client pays for 10 or 20 reviews. Currently, I'm posting about my service on Facebook and Instagram, and I have started getting DMs from people and businesses from other countries. So is it possible to make money with this strategy? Of course, yes. I've made $1,000 from small businesses in my community. Anyone doing this full-time or targeting international clients could make even more. My advice to anyone who wants to take this idea and implement it to make money is: number 1, create a great pitch. You only have less than a minute to show the client how the service is of value to them. Keep it short but detailed. Number 2, you will make more money in the long run. This is not a make $100 in day one kind of a video. If you can't stick around for some time, then this is not for you. Number 3, this is my story. Yours will be different, but it could be better. You'll never know unless you try. So maybe if you're looking for a business idea that you can start immediately, this is a great idea. And that, guys, is how I made $1,000 in 3 months by writing Google reviews. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. If you want to learn more ways to make money online, watch this video here about transcription and the other one about chat moderation, and also check this channel. I have so many videos on how to make money online. I'll see you in the next video.